Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book. Chapter 7 Life Process. Video Part 1. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is correct? Statement 1. Breathing is the part of respiration. Yes. Statement 2. Respiration is the part of breathing. No. Actually, respiration means, what is the definition of the respiration? Respiration means the production of the energy inside your body, okay, inside your body from the digested food inside the cell. तुम्हारी बॉडी के अंदर जो सेल है, सेल में से ऑक्सीजन गैस का यूज करते हुए जो आपने डाइजेस्टेड फूड स्टोर करके रखा है, उस डाइजेस्टेड फूड को ब्रेक करके एनर्जी निकालना है ना. तो प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द बॉडी इनसाइड योर production of the energy inside your body cell using oxygen from the digested food. Okay? This is respiration. And how can we perform this respiration? So using oxygen. Oxygen कहाँ से आएगा? By the process of breathing. When you breathe in, the oxygen enters into your body by the process of breathing. So that's why breathing is the part of respiration. So 1 is correct, 2 is wrong. Option A. The first answer is the option A. Question number 2. Animals which do not have lungs for breathing. The grasshopper is the insect and insects has the spiracles for breathing. Correct. Earthworm. Earthworm has the moist skin for breathing. Ant. Ant is also the insect. They have the spiracles for breathing. And all of the above, answer will be D. The second answer is option D. Question number 3. Water from roots to the leaves gets transported by. So water from the roots to the leaf, that is xylem, and food from the leaf to the all part of the tree, so that is your phloem. Answer will be C. थर्ड का आंसर हो जाएगा सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ब्लड वेसल दैट कैरीज ब्लड फ्रॉम हार्ट टू ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. मीन्स हार्ट से पूरी बॉडी में कौन लेकर जाता है? तो दिस इज योर आर्टरीज. आर्टरीज कैरीज द ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, प्योर ब्लड टू द ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. तो 4 का आंसर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Tiny filters present in the kidney. Filters are your nephrons. Filters are your nephrons. Neuron is present in the neuron is present in your brain. Means the nervous system. Okay. The fifth answer will be your C. Question number 6. By mistake, Ravi left a slice of bread on the kitchen slab in summer. This is the bread. When he came back after 2 days, he found a dark green layer over the bread. Okay, this layer was dash and it reproduces by dash. तो ये क्या है? ये layer क्या? This is mold and reproduces by spore formation. तो 6th का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी. Question number 7. Which type of pollination is shown in the given figure? So you can see this pollination is occurring from one flower to another flower. So this is known as one flower to another flower cross pollination. तो सेवेंथ का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी. Question number 8. Burning of food to release energy is. Burning of food means breaking of food. That is your respiration. Eighth answer will be your option B. Question number 9. Glucose is broken into alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. But without oxygen, it is breaking down. And without oxygen, it means the yeast is responsible for that. So ninth answer will be your option C. Question number 10. Lower chamber of heart includes. So lower chamber, ventricle, right ventricle, left ventricle, upper chamber, atrium, right atrium and left atrium. तो आपका यहाँ पर हो जाएगा ventricle 2 and 3. It is present in the option D. तो 10th का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन D. ठीक है. Question number 11. Waste produced in liver after decomposition of unused food proteins is. तो unused proteins का जो ये है that is your urea. Answer will be your option C. The 11th answer is option C. Question number 12. Increased percentage of which gas will be present while exhaling in human beings? When we exhale, so there is the carbon dioxide. How can we tell it? So if you just breathe out in the lime soda or in the limestone, so the color of the limestone will become white milky color. Why white milky? Due to the presence of the carbon dioxide. When lime stone mix with the lime water mix with the carbon dioxide, the color of the lime water changes to milky white. तो जब आप उसमें एक्सेल करोगे तो मिल्की वाइट चेंज हो रहा है. इट मींस देयर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन आवर एक्सेल गैस, है ना. तो 12th आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Veins are the blood vessels which carry blood from all the parts of the body to back to the heart. This is correct. All parts से लेकर ये heart पे आता है. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. Correct. Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. Yes, this is the exceptional vein. Pulmonary vein carries blood from heart to the other part of the body. नहीं, that is your vena cava and the veins. So D is wrong. 13th answer will be option B. Question number 14. Which of the following reproduces by vegetative propagation? Potato by the stem vegetative propagation, onion by stem vegetative propagation, ginger by stem vegetative propagation. Answer will be all of the above. 14th answer is the option D. Question number 15. Seeds which have spines or hooks on them get dispersed by. तो get dispersed by hooks अगर इसमें है तो by animals. तो 15th answer is option C. You can see. Question number 16. Which of the following cell organelles actively participates in aerobic respiration? तो aerobic respiration में आपका participate जो करता है that is your mitochondria. तो option B. 16th answer is option B. Question number 17. Which process is responsible for the absorption of water by the roots from the soil? Soil से water में इसमें entry कर रहा है. तो ये कौन सा process है? Photosynthesis. 17th answer is your process is the photosynthesis. But which process is responsible for which purpose we are taking water? Photosynthesis के लिए लेते हैं, लेकिन किस प्रोसेस से लेते हैं? तो ऑस्मोसिस. एक्चुअली ऑस्मोसिस इज द movement of water or any fluid from the lower concentration to higher concentration area. और यहाँ पर रूट में क्या होता है आपका? lower concentration is in the soil and higher concentration is in the root. So that's why due to the osmosis it enters into the root. तो 17 आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी. Question number 18. Which of the following seeds are dispersed by explosion of the food? Explosion means when the food rived it and dried, the seed just exploded, वो फट जाता है, and the peel just exploded and the seed just scattered nearby area, तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? डिस्पर्सल बाय एक्सप्लोजन, एंड इट इज इन द बालसम, क्योंकि कोकोनट में वाटर डिस्पर्सल, कॉटन एयर डिस्पर्सल, मैपल एयर डिस्पर्सल. ओके, तो 18 आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. डैश प्रेजेंट ऑन द सीड विच सीड्स हेल्प देम टू बी कैरिड बाय विंड. विंड से कैरी होने वाला स्पाइन्स होगा तो बाय एनिमल, थिक कोट ऑफ फाइबर तो बाय वाटर, टाइनी हेयर्स, यस, हुक्स होगा तो बाय एनिमल. तो 19th आंसर इज द ऑप्शन सी. Question number 20. Exchange of gases between the air and blood takes place across the wall of alveoli. Alveoli is the part of the alveoli क्या है आपका? Alveoli is part of your lungs. Lungs में आपका उसका part है. तो 28th answer will be your option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.